Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best ramen maker is probably one of the most exciting kitchen gadgets to hit the market in years, promising to deliver restaurant-quality ramen in the comfort of your own home. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of the Ramen Maker, exploring its features, ease of use, and most importantly, the taste of the ramen it produces. Get ready to slurp your way to the perfect bowl. Number 5. Dezin 1.6L Electric Hot Pot. Need a quick breakfast? This hot pot is perfect for boiling eggs, noodles, or oatmeal. It has dual power options to make your morning meal prep a breeze. Made with high-quality stainless steel, this pot is safe and healthy. It withstands high temperatures without releasing harmful chemicals, ensuring safe cooking for you and your family. Eat healthy even when you're busy. This electric pot is great for cooking ramen, dumplings, soups, and more at the office. It makes it easy to enjoy a nutritious meal, no matter how hectic your day is. Gather your friends for a fun hot pot dinner. It's the perfect way to enjoy communal cooking and good conversation. This pot makes it easy to create delicious meals together. Looking for a unique gift? This electric cooking pot is practical, healthy, and stylish. With its 1.6L capacity and space-saving design, it's a great addition to any kitchen. Your friends will love it. This pot has a keep warm function, overheat protection, and boil dry protection. The stainless steel interior and stain-resistant glass cover make it convenient and safe to use. It's designed with your safety in mind. What we like? This electric pot offers dual power settings, perfect for quick meals. It's made of stainless steel, ensuring safe and healthy cooking. If you're always on the go and need a fast, healthy meal solution, you should consider this. What people say. Heats quickly while the exterior stays cool to the touch, and still works as described. The 4 settings, off, low, high, and keep warm, work as indicated and respond quickly when changed. The clear lid means I don't have to open to see when to adjust the temperature. Number 4. Topwit 1.6L Electric Hot Pot. Introducing the Topwit Electric Hot Pot, featuring dual power settings. You can easily adjust it to meet your cooking needs. Whether you're making soup or boiling noodles, this pot has you covered. The inner pot is made of food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and safety. It provides even cooking and optimal flavor retention. You can cook with peace of mind knowing it's free from harmful chemicals. This electric cooker is perfect for various occasions, from office lunches to dorm room cooking. It's also great for travel, camping, and van life, allowing you to cook with local ingredients wherever you go. With a 304 food-grade stainless steel interior and a tempered glass lid, it ensures your food remains pure. The design also includes a double wall to prevent slips and burns, so you can handle it safely. The Topwit electric cooker's mini size and elegant style make it easy to store. It's an ideal choice for anyone, especially those in dorms or apartments without a kitchen. It's perfect for families and friends. It's equipped with overheating and boil dry protection. The ramen cooker will automatically shut off if the temperature gets too high or if there's no water inside, ensuring your safety. What we like? This electric pot features dual power settings for versatile cooking. The food-grade stainless steel ensures safety and durability. If you're looking for a compact and safe cooking solution for travel or dorm life, this is the one for you. What people say. The Ramen Maker is easy to use. It makes perfect ramen every time. The design is sleek and modern. Number 3. MarcZero Sushi Making Kit, 22-in-1. Introducing the MarcZero Sushi Making Kit. This 22-in-1 kit has everything you need to make delicious sushi at home. It's perfect for beginners and experienced sushi lovers alike. The kit includes a sushi bazooka, bamboo mats, a knife, chopsticks, and various molds. It provides all the essential tools for crafting perfect sushi rolls and rice balls. Made from 100% natural bamboo, this kit is durable, lightweight, and free of chemicals. With proper care, it will last a long time. Bamboo is the ideal material for handling rice. This sushi kit is designed for everyone, from beginners to culinary experts. It makes creating sushi easy and enjoyable, allowing you to make delicious sushi in minutes. The included sushi knife features an integrated blade and a comfortable handle for a secure grip. The ergonomic design makes it easier to cut through sushi rolls. The kit includes nigiri, onigiri, and musubi molds to help you create perfectly shaped sushi. These molds save time and effort, making it easy to entertain family and friends. What we like. This sushi kit provides everything you need to make delicious sushi at home. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and includes various molds for different sushi styles. If you like hosting dinner parties or enjoy trying new cuisines, you should consider this. What people say. The Ramen Maker is easy to use. The machine is easy to clean. It makes perfect ramen every time. Number 2. KitchenAid Pasta Roller and Cutter Set. This is a genuine KitchenAid stand mixer attachment, designed by the manufacturer. It is sold separately. It is designed to work with your KitchenAid stand mixer. With this 3-piece pasta roller and cutter set, making fresh homemade pasta is quick and easy. It is powered by your KitchenAid stand mixer. You can enjoy fresh pasta at home. This attachment fits all household KitchenAid stand mixers. It is a versatile tool for any home cook. You can easily create delicious pasta dishes. The stainless steel rollers and cutters ensure consistent and smooth rolling and clean cutting. This ensures the pasta dough is perfectly prepared. It will make your pasta making experience better. You can easily roll 6-inch sheets of fresh pasta with 8 thickness settings. This allows you to achieve your desired sheet thickness. It gives you full control over your pasta. Use the spaghetti cutter attachment to cut pasta sheets into classic spaghetti noodles. It is easy to use and provides perfect results. Enjoy your homemade spaghetti. What we like. This KitchenAid attachment makes fresh pasta easy and convenient. It offers consistent rolling and cutting for perfect pasta every time. If you are looking for a way to elevate your cooking with fresh, homemade pasta, you should consider this. What people say. The Ramen Maker is easy to use. The machine is easy to clean. It makes perfect ramen every time. Number 1. Ramen Obsession, Japanese Ramen Bible. Today, we're diving into the world of ramen. This is your ultimate guide to mastering the art of Japanese ramen. It covers everything you need to know. This book is the ultimate Bible for ramen enthusiasts. It's packed with recipes, techniques, and secrets to create the perfect bowl. You'll learn everything from broth to toppings. Inside, you'll find detailed instructions and expert tips. It will help you elevate your ramen game. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound skills. Discover a variety of delicious ramen recipes. Each recipe is carefully crafted and easy to follow. It will guide you through every step of the process. With this guide, you'll become a ramen master in no time. It's your key to unlocking the secrets of authentic Japanese ramen. Enjoy the journey of culinary exploration. What we like. This book is the ultimate guide to mastering Japanese ramen. It provides detailed recipes and techniques for creating authentic ramen at home. If you are a ramen enthusiast looking to deepen your knowledge and skills, you should consider this. What people say. The Ramen Maker is easy to use. The machine is easy to clean. It makes perfect noodles every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.